Fix your credit fast. Boost your score, guaranteed. Sounds great, but here's the truth. There's nothing credit repair companies can do that's actually worth paying for. Because everything they can legally do, you can do yourself for free. I'm Mark Huelsman with AFT's Fight for Affordability, and we're here to help you fight back against scams. These scammers are just selling you access to your own rights, and the pitch is aimed right at people in a tight spot, like when a low credit score is blocking an apartment or a loan. They overpromise results and charge you for tools that are actually free. Let's be crystal clear about what's actually possible. Nobody can legally remove accurate, on-time, negative information from your credit report. It's against the law to do so. Only genuine errors can be disputed and taken off. And you can do that yourself, for free. By law, credit repair companies can't charge you before they do the work. They also have to give you a written contract and 3 days to cancel. And they're not supposed to promise results they can't deliver, though that never seems to stop them. But here's the thing that can land you in real trouble. If anyone offers you a new credit identity or a credit privacy number, a shiny new number to use instead of your own social security number, run. Those numbers are often stolen social security numbers, and using one can make you guilty of fraud. So here's what you're going to do. Get your credit reports at annualcreditreport.com. Dispute real errors directly with the credit bureaus. We walk you through that in our credit reporting video. And know that pay-for-delete services almost never work the way they're advertised. If a company breaks these rules, report them to the CFPB, the Federal Trade Commission, and your state attorney general. Your credit report is yours. You never have to pay a middleman to sell your own rights back to you. Know the signs, know your rights, and remember, you don't have to fight back alone. Visit aft.org/affordability for more tools and resources.